These are breaking inputs coming in, exclusive information with Mirror Now on what's happened with global tenders that were floated by companies. And this was by all 8 companies. They have submitted their bids to the BMC, which is Mumbai's municipal corporation here. This was global tenders of vaccines. And all 8 have now been disqualified by the BMC. The BMC's top officials have confirmed this news here. Reason being that the bidders lacked proper documentation. They did not meet the requirements. The official announcement on this, though, is to come in by the BMC later this evening, later tonight. But this is a huge blow as far as vaccine procurement is concerned. Remember, BMC being one of the countries, or perhaps Asia's biggest and one of the richest municipal corporations here. Decision here, though, that the BMC says has been taken because of requirements that were not met with. There was improper documentation. Disha is trying to get us some more details known on this. Disha, we still, of course, awaiting the official announcement, but there is an internal sources confirmation that you've got us in from this here. What all have been the points that were raised by the BMC to a huge number for all 8 companies that applied, all having been disqualified?
This is a big announcement here that we are making for our viewers here, because remember, Seher, it is very important, and this news is coming in at a time when the city of Mumbai is already facing a lot of vaccine shortage. And when in the last month of May, when BMC had floated a global tender, after several extensions and extending the deadline, they had received bids from 10 companies. And after June 1st, they started scrutinizing the documents in concern or submitted by these bidders. And in the process, of course, 2 companies had withdrew their proposals. So the BMC was left with only about 8 bids. And as and when they were scrutinizing the financial bids and all the aspects and concerns ahead, they realized that the companies who have submitted the bids are not meeting the EOI requirements, that is the expression of interest requirement. These companies also lacked proper documentation, because remember, if companies claiming that they can supply Russian-based Sputnik V and Sputnik Light vaccines, then they need a consent from the manufacturing concern. But none of these companies had actually provided that authority letter as well, which was one of the main criteria written by the BMC. So on these grounds, of course, all of these bids have been disqualified, is what we understand from the top officials here on Mirror Now. And BMC also says that further they do not really plan to float another tender, because already almost a month has been lost, in that hope that at least the city will get 1 crore vaccines, but that has not really happened. So the official announcement is expected soon, today, anytime by the BMC. But of course, this is a news that we are seeing that 8 that the BMC has received have been disqualified.
That's right. This is a huge blow to the entire process here, and a month delay that we've already seen to this, as you explained, Disha. Thank you for getting us those updates.